Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create an aesthetic logo using Canva. Type logo in the search box. You will get many ready-to-use options here, but I am going to make the logo from scratch, so click on Create a Blank Logo. Today we are going to learn how to make this aesthetic logo. Let's add a new page. Click on Elements and search Rose Gold Ring. Add ring design to create a logo. Now let's change the background color. Add your brand name letters. Change font and size of the text. Change text color. For more amazing options, search for rose gold petals. Add brand name and other details. Let's check the final output. Hope you like this simple tutorial. Thank you for